I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the controls on the MA Car Air Purifier. So this is the MA Car Air Purifier, a HEPA 13 purifier from Medify that runs in your car. And basically when you plug it in and switch your car on, you'll go to this standby setting. You can see this blinking power light. So to switch the unit on, I'm just going to press that. You can see it's now solid, and the fan speed indicator has come on, showing that this is moving air through, so it's purifying. Then my next setting, I can choose 3 different fan speeds indicated by those 3 LEDs just by pressing that button. The fastest setting if you want to really be moving air through. It does work with a car up to 7 people, or about 40 square feet. And then the final function here is the ionizer. So I can switch on the ionizer if I want to be generating ions in the air to maybe remove some odors and that kind of thing. I usually leave mine switched off and just use the HEPA filter built into it. There also is a filter indicator light that'll come on here when your filter needs to be changed. So a very simple interface on the front of the MA Car Air Purifier from Medify. Thank you to Medify for sending this along for me to check out.